to Simply Made Fancy Pie Making Battle. So, yes, we love making apple pie during this time because it's apple picking season. And guess what we did? We went apple picking at our favorite orchard, Soon's Orchard in upstate New York. And now we're going to make pie, but we're going to do it differently this time. We're going to have 3 teams. Each team is going to make a pie, and then we'll see who does the pie better. Let's get started. All right, so we split up our teams. We have team number 1, the grandparents and the favorite grandchild, of course. And then we have Blake and I on a team, and he has the advantage because he has mom on his team, so I think we're going to win. And then we have the duo over here, the moody teenager and dad.
Gingerbread.
So this is what we're going to do. Each of us are going to take a part of the pie and do our parts, and then we'll switch around. And of course, I always make the Martha Stewart pie crust. And it's from this book that I got it when I was first got married. They don't make these anymore. They don't print them anymore, but it's everyday foods. And it has a pie crust recipe of Martha Stewart that I always use for all of my pie crust. One team is going to do the pie crust while the other team is peeling their apples and the other one is getting their ingredients together. So let's get started. Pie number 1. Pie number 2. Pie number 3.
This was Logan and I, right?
Yeah.
This one was Mama, Papa, and Dylan. And this one was Blakey and Mommy. A primeira. É tortada a primeira. We make it.
Blake, what do you think of your pie? It's so good. It's so good. Oh my gosh. So we have more cinnamony, Dylan and the grandparents. Blake's is a little bit more tarty, which is good too. So they're both really good. And we will never know what this one tastes like. We would have to ask Logan and his friends because he's taking it to school. But I don't know. I don't know who the winner is because they're delicious. And I think we all win because we all had pie. Now, this was so much fun, and I think we're going to do it again, maybe for Thanksgiving, and we'll do pumpkin pie. But if you really enjoyed this and you want to see more videos and know how to make this apple pie, check out this video.
Le voy a demostrar a ustedes, a todos mis seguidores, cómo se hace un apple pie. ¿Cuál es la forma y los ingredientes que se necesitan para hacer un apple pie? En el apple pie, recuerden que el apple pie se da en el río. Usted no puede conseguir apple pie sino en el río. La lata raya y en el río y usted colecta la apple pie.